Electric-powered tuggers are innovative material handling vehicles designed to transport heavy loads with ease and efficiency. These machines are a crucial part of industries such as manufacturing, warehousing, and logistics, where the movement of goods and materials is an essential operation. Unlike traditional manual carts or forklifts, electric-powered tuggers offer a safer, more ergonomic, and environmentally friendly solution for moving heavy loads, reducing the physical strain on operators and increasing productivity. Electric-powered tuggers are compact yet robust machines equipped with powerful electric motors. They are designed to pull or tow carts, trailers, or load carriers rather than lifting items like forklifts. Most models feature a low-profile design, making them easy to maneuver in tight spaces and around corners. The operator can control the tugger using ergonomic handlebars or control panels that often include speed adjustment, directional controls, and emergency stop buttons. These tuggers are powered by rechargeable batteries, typically lithium-ion or lead-acid, which provide varying degrees of operational runtime depending on the model and application. Battery technology advancements have significantly improved their efficiency, allowing for longer working hours and shorter recharge times. Electric tuggers can tow loads ranging from a few hundred kilograms to several tons, depending on the model. Many tuggers include programmable settings that allow operators to customize speed, torque, and other parameters to suit specific tasks. Their small size makes them perfect for navigating crowded or narrow spaces. Quick charging and energy-efficient batteries ensure minimal downtime and lower operational costs. These autonomous guided vehicles, AGVs, use sensors, cameras, and software to plan routes, avoid obstacles, and optimize load transport. The integration of AI and IoT technologies will further enhance their efficiency and usability, enabling smart logistics solutions and seamless integration into Industry 4.0 ecosystems. Overall, electric-powered tuggers are transforming material handling operations across industries by providing a safe, efficient, and sustainable solution for moving heavy loads. Their ergonomic design, advanced features, and adaptability make them a valuable asset in modern workplaces. As technology continues to evolve, these machines will become even. With certified MTP complete family of sample dividers offering a wide range of performance features and capacities, certified MTP has the right equipment for your accurate representative sampling needs. Be sure to check out these and all our products listed in the Certified MTP catalog and on the Certified MTP website. Certified MTP, your industry leader in material testing equipment. So visit Certified MTP.